Top 3 Best Home Gyms. Number 1. Marcy Stack Dual Home Gym. If you are looking for a dual-function home gym, the Marcy Stack Dual Home Gym is the best. It has numerous features and benefits that we found, including the following. Result-oriented. Many users say it's the best option for building muscles comfortably at home. Very durable. The gym is of premium quality. It is made of a 2x2.5 heavy-duty steel tube frame. Dual functionality. The arm press offers dual functionality. It's good for anyone who needs a maximized workout on the upper body. Safe for use. This best home gym equipment is built from high-density boxed vinyl. This one offers high resistance to wear and tear. Number 2. Bowflex PR1000 Best Home Gym. Result-oriented. It provides a full body strength workout. You can work your lower and upper body extensively. High resistance. This home gym also provided high resistance capacity of 200 plus pounds. Offers much more. The workout machine also offers you a chance to enjoy horizontal bench press plus lateral pull down. Maximum weights. Additionally, this home gym comes with 300-pound maximum weights to use. Number 3. Bowflex Revolution Best Home Gym. Comfortable. This home gym is made out of a padded recline frame. Versatile. Like its sister above, this home gym offers over 30 strength exercises. Dual functions. It has multi-functions such as the triple function hand grips. Superior resistance. The resistance capacity of the machine is awesome. Considerations when buying the best home gym. Now that you have the best home gym reviews to go with, what should you consider when buying this type of training equipment for your home? Durability. This is very important. You want value for your money and you want a dependable machine for your workouts. The price. You can't buy gym equipment what you can't afford. The best home gym for your use should meet your budget. Versatility. Think about how ideal your machine is for your needs. Can you easily switch from one form of body workout to the next? The brand. By looking through user reviews you will be able to tell which brand is superior either in quality, design, or style. Guarantee. There are simple guarantees that will show you if your machine is of good quality. Thanks for watching. For more information click the link below.